Aishwarya Rai is the most beautiful woman in the world, and I really wanted to create this beautiful look that she had worn on the red carpet. So if you're interested, let's get into today's exciting video. As you can see in this picture, Aishwarya doesn't have very strong, bold brows. So let's go ahead and create some fluffy brows, which will be wearable every day too. You want to use thin strokes and keep it nice and light. To keep the brows in place, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Brow Lamination Gel. This has extreme hold throughout the day. For concealer, I'm going to be using the MAC Studio Fix 24 Hour Wear Concealer in the shade NC 43.5. Using the Natasha Denona Glam Face palette and going in with the shade Transition with the Morphe A11 brush, let's carve out the crease and apply it in a diagonal line towards the outer corner of the eye. And now with any fluffy brush, blend that out into the skin tone. With the Nikia Joy Cosmetics E03 brush and with the shade Crease, let's apply that to the outer corner of the eye. Remember, Aishwarya didn't have a very smoky eye over here, but I need to adapt this to my skin tone since she's a lighter skin tone than I am. Now puff that into the previous shade. Back into the shade Transition and with the Morphe A7 brush, apply that to the bottom lash line. With the same brush but dipping into crease, let's apply that even more closer to the bottom lash line. Changing brushes to the Refer 13 brush and with the shade Smoke, only apply this sparingly to the outer corner of the eye. Bring it slightly into the crease to kind of shape your eye. And blend that in the previous shade. Back in with our pencil brush and with the shade Smoke, let's apply that very closely to the bottom lash line. This gives the intended smokiness. And your eyes will look something like this. Dipping into the shade Inner Corner, we are going to be using our fingers to apply this all over the eyelid. And with a fluffy brush and the shade Transition, let's blend that color into the shimmer. Your eyes will look something like this now. Take a spoolie brush and we're going to be using this to remove any fallout. Don't forget to remove that from the lashes too. For a wing liner, I'm using the Inglot AMC Gel Liner and I'm going to be adapting her look to suit my eyes. Since I have hooded eyes, I cannot go in with a very thick eyeliner as it would make my eyes much more smaller. And with the Pat McGrath Ultra Glide Gel Pencil in the shade Black Coffee, apply that to the bottom lash line and also get rid of any sparse areas on the upper lash line. Curl your lashes with any lash curler you have at home. And with the L'Oreal Panorama Mascara, I'm going to be applying that on my lashes today. And that is Aishwarya Rai's red carpet look. I really hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you're enjoying this Bollywood series. If you did, please hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you again in my next video. See you guys. Bye-bye.